Hello everyone, welcome to construction mini class. I'm Mary. Have you ever seen detergents that clump during mixing separate after storage, lose viscosity over time, or become cloudy? Most people think it's a mixing issue, but the real problem is often the wrong thinking system. HPMC is commonly used in daily chemicals, but the issue is not usage, it's selection. Most instability comes from slow dispersion and weak structure, which leads to clumping, separation, thinning, loss of clarity. Daily chemical grant HPMC. Fast dispersion, uniform system, long-term stability. In short, ordinary thinking, surface thickness, daily chemical HPMC, system stability. Here are sites. We are prepared a detergent formulation using daily chemical grade HPMC. You can see smooth dispersion with no clumping, uniform clear system, stable viscosity without false seeking. Now, we'll use this formulation to clean a heavily soiled table. Planning demo. After washing, you can see grease is quickly emulsified and removed. The towel is clean, no grit. Fresh hand feel with no sticky residue. This proves a stable thinking system is not just about appearance. It directly affects cleaning, performance, and user experience. When daily chemical products fail, it's often not due to complex formulations, but incorrect material selection. If you are facing stability or performance issues in detergents or cleaners, Rich is here to support you with the professional daily chemical grade HPMC solutions.